Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn the lesson Evolution of Humans and Society. First, discuss the topic Origin of the Earth and the Geological Ages. Here are the three important findings from the archaeological studies conducted by geologists and geophysicists across the world. Earth is 4.7 billion years old. The oldest known rocks on Earth are about 3.8 billion years old. Life originated on Earth around 2.5 billion years age. From the formative stage of our planet, it can be concluded that for about 2.2 billion years, there was no life on Earth. 2.2 billion years, there was no life on Earth. So next discuss the topic origin and evolution of man. Origin and evolution of man. Look at the picture. This picture, Dryopithecus and the Ramapithecus were hairy and walked like gorilla and chimpanzee. They were hairy and walked like gorilla and chimpanzee. Look at the picture. It's a major this in that about 3 to 4 million years ago, man-like primates walked in Eastern Africa. Look at the picture. During the age, Homo sapiens arose in Africa. Homo sapiens arose in Africa. Homo sapien, that is like a modern human. About 2 million years ago, the Australopithecines lived in East Africa. They hunted with stone weapons, but ate mainly fruit. Next, look at the picture. The Homo habilis probably did not eat meat. Next, look at the picture. That man, Homo erectus probably ate meat. Look at the picture. This picture is like the prehistoric cave art. So next, during that about 18,000 years ago, that is the development of the cave art, and developed 10,000 years ago development of the agriculture. So look at the picture. That picture is a chimpanzee. The chimpanzee, it is a major important one because the DNA of chimpanzee is 98% identical to that of a human being. The DNA of chimpanzee is 98% identical to that of the human beings. Another picture is orangutans. And another picture is gorilla. Why? Because the chimpanzee, gorillas and orangutans along with the humans are collectively called the great apes. Thank you.